everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing, this time for Stickii Club, the Pop Pack. By the time that this video goes up, it will be June and we are in Pride Month. I wish I had a lot more stuff, but right now that's all I have. Da-da-da! So, happy Pride Month to everyone, and let's get into it. Now just remember, like always, I am visually impaired, so I need reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details, so I can see the stickers just as well as you guys. Alright, let's hope for the best that I don't ruin anything inside. I ruined the envelope, that's for sure. Alright, let's get this out. You get a sneak peek because I can't see what you're seeing right now because I'm bumbling to myself. Alrighty then. Okay, let's look at our theme sticker. Ooh, does that say buried blooms? I think there's a skull there, isn't there? Oh, this might be a little bit of a creepy pack, and that is giving me life. Giving me the life. Okay, let's put that off to the side. Look in our accessory pocket. Looks like we might have gotten a stamp. Okay. There it is. I had to zoom in because the fine details on there. It looks like a bunch of like maybe lily of the valley flowers or something like that, or bluebells. But if you look inside of each little flower, there's a skull. And I love that. Absolutely love that. Don't forget to keep this outer piece that you think that you should throw away. It actually protects the stamp. Lastly, on the front side here, we are going to go into our stationery pocket, and it's not a notepad. What is this? Are these stickers? I'm gonna assume they're stickers. I cannot tell, or maybe they're just plates, but I'm gonna assume they're stickers. I'm not sure, but the back is shiny, so I'm gonna assume sticker. I can't get it apart because the sticker goes all the way to the edge, but it looks like old film. Like each one looks like some sort of old film. And oh, that looks like a negative. I like that. Yeah, these look like negatives. These are so cool. Those are hands. Oh wait, are they meant to like look like x-rays maybe? I mean, some of them look like flowers, but then there's the ones that look like bones. That is so cool. I have absolutely no idea what I would put these on. But these are so cool. Okay, let us go and take out the stuff in the back. Like I said, normally we get a notepad in the stationery pocket though, but I really, really, really love those. Absolutely. Ooh. Took a minute to come out. We got our sticker sets, and it feels like we got an additional stationery item here. Is this a postcard? Maybe? Wait, there's two. I'm gonna think they're postcards. The colors on these are amazing. Yep, they're postcards. Postcards, for those of you who don't know and who may not send mail anymore, depending on who you are, they were a form of communication for the longest time. You don't see much anymore. There's a couple of different websites that you can join up with on the internet to send postcards to people all over the world. What you do is you turn it over and you find out which is the top and the bottom. Right now I can't tell, but like let's pretend that this is the right way. So 1/3 of this, you would have a line. You would have a line here, but you could like imagine a line. 1/3 of this, you would put the person's address over here and make sure you put the stamp in the corner. A short message, nothing private, nothing important and whatnot. Just a short message you could put over here on this side, and it goes straight in the mail like this, no envelope, no nothing, and then they would get it and they would see it. Kind of like a card a little bit if you wanted to. But these are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at those. I really love the skeleton one. Wow. Okay, and then the part that I didn't show was the artist that made this right there. So if you want to follow them on Instagram, or if you want to find out more of their stuff. But these are a nice thick material, so they wouldn't get too banged up in the mail. Now that I talked about that for a hot minute, let's get to the stickers. Or let's wait, because apparently there is a second stationery item in here. Looks like we got a couple pages of note paper. So we actually did get some note paper. Looks like we got about 5 pages. Wow, that is so pretty. Is that a hummingbird? Or am I seeing just birds? It's birds. That's beautiful. There's the artist information if you want to follow them or see what other work they did. But it gives you a lot of space to write on, and depending on how dark the writing utensil you're using, you can keep going down further onto the image. But this could be used for lists, grocery store like lists and whatnot, or just like jotting down some notes, which is what I do a lot, I would say. But here's our first sheet, and I'll give you guys a look-see first. They're textured, so I don't know if it's just like the outer lines or whatnot, but let's give it a zoom so I can see. Okay. Oh, I love moths. I can never say that without sounding goofy. Moths. Moth. Mushrooms. Dragonflies. Oh. And you know me, I love itty bitty little stickers. So small, so cute. Here's the person that created it. If you want to see any of their other work. Oh, those are so gorgeous. I love it. I have no idea what kind of noise that was that I just made. Here's our next sheet. Oh boy, I feel like this is something that my sister might steal. It looked like, what do they call him? It's a superhero. I can't remember. Nicolas Cage played him. Ooh, it's gonna be one of those days. These are beautiful. I love that they're incorporating some celestial motif into it. What is? Oh, it's a mirror. Oh no, not a broken bone. I have no idea what's going on there, but I love it. Oh, this is the person that created the postcards. Follow them if you like them. Okay, next sheet. Actually, there might be 6 sheets. I think I missed this one. It's a clear sheet with, feels like textured. I turned another sticker sheet around so I could see it because I really couldn't. And let's see here. Oh. And they're foiled. We have all different colors too. All different colors of foiling. Created by the makers at Stickii Club. Or the artists at Stickii Club, I mean. So gorgeous. Okay, so that's 3. Here's 4. Looks like we got some pastel looking washed out watercolor. Very beautiful. Reminds me of the notepad or notepad pages. I don't know why, but my mouth is very dry today. There's information. And is that their artist mark? I love that. I absolutely love that. I love the little stickers. These are beautiful. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Apparently I am thirsty today. 5. So I was wrong. There is 6 sheets. These are wicked. Look at these. Individual little skulls and designs. Also made by the last artist that did the sticker sheet before this one. And our last full sheet. Editing me is going to love the fact that I couldn't count before, because literally there's 8 things here. There is 6 sticker sheets, 2 stationery items. That equals 8, and now we get 8 items. Oh my goodness, look at these. Yes! Yes, these are, oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to find a use for all this. I might actually leave all these until Halloween. What is, it's the name of the person who created it, but I don't see like an Instagram thing or not. Maybe we can look them up, unless they're an actual artist at Stickii Club. But I think, yeah, definitely gonna leave a lot of these to decorate stuff for Halloween. Because, wow. All right, what are we thinking? This is a great pack this month. I am really excited the fact that, 1, we got the 2 stationery items, including these beautiful looking like x-rays. I want to say they're x-rays. The stamp and all the sticker sheets. Which one was your favorite? Do you also love creepy, spooky things that are not too scary? Like, it's creepy and spooky, but it's not frightful or anything like that. Like, you know, it's just an aesthetic. Is this something that you like? Go ahead and throw it down in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. And I will see you in my next video. Bloop, bloop.